This is a bird, and her name is Bonzo. It's a girl. It's my dad's pet. Because as you can see, this is not my regular house. This is still at my dad's. I thought I'd like to show you a bird. A birdie bird. A bonzo-y bird. You know why we call her Bonzo? Because she's crazy. She's so crazy. Ain't that right, Bonzo? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? By the way, she's loud. Oh, God. Okay, let's not... What, does this bother you? Oh, God. Okay. Alright, she might fly on my head again, so... Yeah, that's Bonzo. Bonzo, kisses! Ta-da! A bird is on my head. Surprising, huh? Bonzo, kisses! 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 Bonzo, kisses! See? I have a bird on my head. Bonzo, kisses! 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 I have a little bird on my little head. Hello. That is Bonzo the bird, because she's crazy and she goes on people's heads. Kisses! Just by saying that one word, she comes. Bonzo, kisses! 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 Kissy, kissy, kisses! Kissy, kissy, kisses! Chirp, 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 chirp. Kisses! If you guys want to count this, you can. Or whatever. Like how many times she flew on my head. She first landed on the towel. There's a towel just in case she lands there, and then... What are you doing? She's crazy! It's a crazy bird! Kisses! 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 Bonzo, kisses! Hello! Hello! Ah! Don't fall! Here we go, there's a bird on my head. It's actually the longest time she stayed on my head. Like, not in actual time, I mean during this video. I think she's been on there longer already before. Ain't that right, Bonzo? God, flew right in front of my face. She's like, I want to be the star of this show. How much time has it been anyways? Only 3 minutes. She's already been on there, like, I definitely know it's more than 5. I'm not even saying the words anymore, she's already flying into my head. Hello. I don't see you, but I know you're up there. I can feel you. I don't want to look up. I guess it would have been okay, but I think she would have pinched my eyes. You're silly. You're silly. It's been like, I don't know, 100 times already you've flown on my head. You're silly. You're so silly. Alright, she's done. She's back in her little cage. She's back in her little cagey wagey. What are you squawking about? You playing with your toys? Nope, she's coming back. She's coming back. Coming back. Yar, matey. Hi. Meep, meep. Meep, meep. I'm a pirate. R. Even though it's not a parrot. Actually, what bonsoo is, I think she's a budgie. Oh, what are you doing? You're climbing up me. Can't even look at you no more. So what are you doing? Ow! Oh, okay, stop. Get off me. What are you doing? You're a silly bird. You guys still see? It might be because of the pad. There we go. Alright, everything's good. Okay, she never really leaves the living room, but let's see if we can leave and go right to my room with her. Alright, Bonzo. You stay on me? You gonna come with me for a ride? Alright. Gotta go slow. Steady. Okay, good. Alright, she's still on. No, she left. Oh well. Anyways, we're already through most of the video, so I'll just show you the rest of the house while we're here. Like, of Dad's house. Although you probably have already seen it, if you've seen my video of Dad stole my iPad, there's 3 parts. This is my stepmom's room, Karen, and in here is my dad's room. Sometimes come in here for drinks, like juice boxes or water bottles. And this is my room. This is a bed slash couch, because, you know, I pretty much change it a bit when it's normal. Oh yeah, I got a Cars poster too. Here's my closet and a calendar. And if you want to know what day I've actually done this, what day? It's the 13th. The 13th. It's actually still a lot. It's still. We're not even halfway through the summer vacation yet. Like, at least for me, it's probably almost been a month, because I ended school around the 17th, I'm thinking, of June. So yeah, after that, I was free for the rest of the summer. So yeah, it's already almost been a month since I've... Oh, whoops. Since I've been off school already. And there's at least a month and a half left. And down here is just down the hall. Hang on, I'll flick the light. Just there, see? Light. And here's the kitchen. The beautiful kitchen. You know, the reason why I don't do videos here is because of, I usually do a lot of work. Bonzo, be quiet. And here you get to see an awesome view. So yeah, there's also a Walmart nearby, so if I want, I could just walk over there. Yeah, it's a good view, and yeah, if you're thinking what I think you're thinking, you remember where I said I live in St. Catharines, right? Well, this is not St. Catharines. My dad actually lives in Hamilton. You know, to tell the truth, I first lived here in Hamilton. Not in this actual spot. I was born in Hamilton. Before I even came to before I went to St. Catharines. Alright. Hi, Bonzo. You gonna come on me again? I'll just turn this around. Kisses. Kisses. Bonzo, kisses. 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 No, I think she's got done with that. Yeah. Let's watch Bonzo. Oh yeah, my dad has a big flat screen TV. It's kinda cool. The majestic wild bird. Even though it's a pet, and it's in the house, it's not really majestic. It is a cuckoo bird. Actually, it's a budgie, but we like to call it a cuckoo bird. And a loud bird. Bonzo, you're so crazy, man. And like I said before, Bonzo's a girl. So yeah. Just like my one dog, Bella. And if you haven't seen it in the videos of my dogs, I've only made one. It was around the time when I started my YouTube channel, like of this channel. I did make a channel before, but I mean like at the start of the of this channel, that's where I've done it. So it'll be easy to find. Just go on my channel and then just go to videos. Oh god. She just swooped by me. I wonder if it's because I'm talking. Because I'm talking? Because I'm talking? Huh? But yeah, there is a dog video, so if you go to my channel, go to videos, go to oldest to newest. If you see a dog on there, then that's the video. I might try to do one when I get back, but yeah. So yeah, and I guess that's it for this video. I just mostly wanted to show you the budgie. That it's a budgie wudgie. The budgie wudgie. The budgie wudgie. Yeah, so chirp. Chirp chirp. I thought this was the perfect time since well, my stepmom's at work and my dad, he's at a doctor's appointment because he kind of has a bad back, but and I'm definitely not giving out the location. I mean, sure you could know a bit, but not too much. All you need to know is he lives in Hamilton in Canada. Yeah. Because I don't want to give out personal information about that. Oh, what is Bonsoo doing? What is she trying to do? So yeah, she kind of climbs all over her cage. Ah, she sticks the landing. She looks at herself. Let's see if we can play with her with a laser. Bonsoo, laser. Look beside you. There's a laser. Here's a pretty laser. Laser? I don't know, it's more fun to do with a cat. I would have shown you a cat, but my cat ran away. But yeah. So, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. And if you liked it, press the like button or subscribe. And I'll see you back at my mom's place, maybe on Wednesday, in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, hang on. I need to find over. Okay, there it is. Bye.